John Osborne here with Basecamp Trading, and we are looking at GM, General Motors, for our video of the day. And if you look at what's going on with the daily, we can see that we are setting up a bull flag here. But before we do that, I want to tell you why we're interested in this. It really has to do with the weekly. And if you look back here, there's a couple of things happening. We can see that prior to today, or prior to this last month or so, you can see we broke out above the swing high here back from February. And that happened right here at the end of, or the month of July. Just at the tail end of July, and then we've pulled back. And when we pull back and maintain our momentum in the status of green histograms, then we have an opportunity for this to trigger. Now, it's best when it triggers quickly, but it's still valid, and it amplifies it a bit when we get a hammer setting up here, which we got last week. So now we're looking to see if we can do two things here: break the weekly bull flag and trigger the hammer from last week, both of them from the weekly. So we're going to be looking to get above 88.36. That'll be the trigger for our bull flag. And if we look at that on the daily here, you can see that 88.36 is going to be, well, it's the high of this bar right here, a high of last week's bar. So today we got to 88.27 and pulled back. And we're not yet done for today, but if you look at this right here, you've got almost a hammer-like pattern, with the idea here that we started up here near the previous close, pulled back all this way, but we fought our way back intraday here. So we're forming a bull flag on the daily, while at the same time we have an already formed bull flag on the weekly. We're also getting a weekly long signal from WindWave Pro right here. That could change by the end of the week, but so far so good. If this all triggers, this could be really powerful. We could be looking for anything above that 88.36, and for just triggering the daily bull flag here, setting up, if it does set up for tomorrow, we'll be looking for it to trigger above Monday's high with an initial target up to that same 88.36. Then we'll look for it to follow through a few bars after that, and our first resistance will be 89.74, and you can see we might make it all the way up to the all-time high of 91.85. So, in a recap here, we got a weekly bull flag and hammer combination that could be triggering here above 88.36. We're going to look for a bull flag to set up on Monday for triggering potentially on Tuesday, and that'll be set up if we maintain green histograms down here on MQ momentum, as well as keep the high of today below Friday's high of 88.36. If we get in, we'll immediately get in on a break above Monday's high with an initial target up at 88.27 and a follow-through target up at 89.74. If you like this kind of analysis, join us for 30 days. You can find out how to do so in the comments below.